stay at home with your parents? After all, it's your birthday, remember?
They don't care. I'd rather go with you and find honey.
No, I prefer to go on my own.
Don't be silly, Cubby. Why should you go alone?
'Cause this is not for girls.